Hi everyone, this is ASU for you. Today I want to explain how to use iPhone keyboard very fast. For that, you have to go to settings, then general, then keyboard. And now you will find text replacement. Open text replacement. Think you have to share your email ID to anyone. For that, you have to type your email ID every time while sharing. If you don't want to type it every time and save your time, you can create a shortcut. For example, type your email ID on phrase. For typing your email ID on phrase, you have to type the plus button on the upper right side. In this time, I am using these letters, for example, as email ID on phrase and character in shortcut. For example, 2 times at the rate of and save it. Then go to messages, WhatsApp or notes. In this case, I am going to WhatsApp. Tap any contacts in the chat and type the shortcut over here, such as at the rate of. The shortcut which we have created have appeared here. Then tap space, it will appear on the keyboard. You are good to go and share it. You can also add address, anything like this, by which you can surprise your friends and family by typing fast. Hope you all like my video, and if you find it useful, then give a like and subscribe with my channel.